Good morning, students. Let us see about cognitive radio unit 4. Unit 4, MAC and network layer designed for cognitive radio. Here the features of routing in CRN. Here link availability, unidirectional links, heterogeneous wireless networks. What about the link availability? CRN topology, check the link availability first. That is the link available period in the CRN in the range of milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours, ranges. What is a unidirectional links? A typical wireless network have bidirectional links because radio communications is a half duplex. CRN's unidirectional one because no guarantee to allow the opportunity for transmission from the other directions. Whenever we see the heterogeneous wireless networks, inter-system handover is usually required for routing in such heterogeneous wireless networks. Successful transmission is possible for heterogeneous network. Assuming that genuine observers CRN operation for both PS and CR, the CR must use the spectrum hold window to complete transmission of packets. Suppose such a spectrum window period is denoted by T window, it is clear that T window that is greater than or equal to T sense plus TCR transmission plus T ramp up plus T ramp down. What about T sense? Minimum sensing duration to NCR CR transmission opportunity. TCR transmission period for CR packets, and T ramp up down ramping up down period for transmission. This equation ignores propagation delay and processing delay at the transmitter receiver pair, which can be considered to be portion of ramp up and down duration. The maximum duration of spectrum hold can be considered to be the time duration for beacon signals. Here see the diagram state transition for embedded Markov chain for link availability. Here the available, that is a not available. Here the windowing system is followed for the CR transmission. Here the spectrum sensing means there is a T sense is possible. So here the PS active mode, then transmission power ramping, spectrum hold available to the CR, then primary system timing. So these are the general diagram. Here the PS traffic signaling is allowed. It is obvious that we have to model the link availability mathematically in the CRN. Since the link is either available for opportunistic transmission or not available, considering the timing for the change of link availability, we can adopt an embedded continuous time Markov chain. And the rates specifying this continuous time Markov chain can be obtained from the statistics of spectrum measurement. Then routing in cognitive radio networks, trusted cognitive radio network, then the traffic control packets. Here the traffic control packets, there is a secure, trusted and lure. Then you consider secure, the node has executed a security check that is good throughput the entire heterogeneous wireless networks, such as through public key infrastructure. Trusted, the level of security for trusted is not as effective as secure, CR to CR or CR to PS node. In this case, a CR source node generates packets for opportunistic transmission, and the CR receiver node recognizes such a CR source node as trusted and can relay packets towards a CR sync node via the appropriate routing mechanism. Thank you, students.